The World Cup starts on June 11th. Are you ready to watch it in English?
If football and goal are the only words you know, this episode is for you.
Today, 25 essential football words. Simple, clear, and ready for the World Cup 2026.
I'm William. This is Sarah. Welcome to Learn English.
This episode is A1, perfect for total beginners. We will teach you the most important football words in English.
After this episode, you will understand the basics when you watch any World Cup match.
Let's start with the team and the field.
First word, team. A team is a group of players who play together. The USA team, the Mexico team, the Brazil team.
Second, player. A player is a person who plays football.
Third, coach. The coach is the leader of the team. He or she tells the players what to do.
Fourth, pitch. The pitch is the field where players play. It is green and rectangular.
Americans say field instead of pitch. Both are correct. Pitch is British. Field is American.
Fifth, stadium. A stadium is the big building where the match happens.
Sixth, match. A match is a football game. We say football match, not football game. Both work, but match is more common in football.
Seventh, fans. Fans are the people who watch and support a team. The fans cheer for their team.
Eighth, jersey. A jersey is the shirt that players wear. Each team has its own colors.
Now, let's go inside the match, the actions on the pitch.
Quick review. Team, players together. Coach, the leader. Pitch or field, where they play.
Stadium, the building. Match, the game. Fans, the people watching.
Jersey, the shirt. Player, the person on the pitch.
These 8 words let you say, the team and the coach are on the pitch in the stadium for the match.
Simple but very useful. Now the action words.
Ninth, goal. A goal is 1 point when the ball goes into the net. Goal.
10th, score. To score means to make a goal. Brazil scored 2 goals means Brazil made 2 points.
11th, pass. A pass is when one player kicks the ball to another player on the same team.
12th, shot. A shot is when a player kicks the ball at the goal, trying to score.
13th, save. A save is when the goalkeeper stops the ball from going into the goal.
14th, goalkeeper. The goalkeeper protects the goal. The other players cannot use their hands. Only the goalkeeper can.
15th, defender. A defender stops the other team from scoring.
16th, forward. A forward tries to score goals. Also called striker.
17th, midfielder. The midfielder plays in the middle of the pitch. They pass the ball.
18th, substitute. A substitute is a new player who comes in to replace a tired player.
Now the rules words. 19th, foul. A foul is when a player breaks a rule. The referee stops the game.
20th, referee. The referee is the official who controls the match. He uses a whistle.
21st, yellow card. A yellow card is a warning. The referee shows it for a foul.
22nd, red card. A red card means the player must leave the pitch. 2 yellow cards equal 1 red card.
23rd, penalty. A penalty kick is a special shot from 12 yards. Only the goalkeeper can defend.
24th, kickoff. Kickoff is the start of the match. Kickoff is at 9 p.m.
25th, extra time. Extra time is more time at the end of the match if the score is equal.
Big review. Goal, point. Score, make a goal. Pass, kick to teammate. Shot, kick at goal. Save, keeper stops it.
Players, goalkeeper, defender, midfielder, forward. And substitute when one comes off.
Rules, foul, referee, yellow card, red card, penalty.
Start of game, kickoff. End, extra time if equal.
25 words. You are ready for the World Cup.
Repeat these slowly after me. Listen and speak.
Goal. He scored a goal.
Foul. That was a foul.
Referee. The referee blew the whistle.
Penalty. Brazil got a penalty.
Kickoff. Kickoff is at 8 p.m.
Quick quiz. I will give you a situation. You say the word.
The ball goes into the net. What is it?
Goal. 1 point for the team.
The man with the whistle. Who is he?
The referee.
The player who uses his hands. What is his job?
Goalkeeper. Last one, the player who comes on to replace another. Substitute. Perfect. 25 words, and you can follow any World Cup match in English.
Watch a game today. Listen for these words. You will hear them all.
Thanks for listening to Learn English. Enjoy the World Cup. See you next time.